Well, why don't we, as a bit of an entree, why don't I take you on a bit of a tour of the workshop and I'll show you where the pink Lego bricks are?
Yes, please do.
Yeah, I'm just going to unplug you, so don't mind. Hopefully that's okay.
That's okay. Right. It didn't hurt a bit.
We're now on the move. Now you'll notice that we sort our Lego by colours. So we love our colours to be all nice and organised. So it makes Lego bricks easy to find. And we have a whole section. You ready for this? Whole section. Look at that! All of the
pink.
And of course, Lego, being Lego, they make like all different shades of them, right? So we have we've got them all here. So we have a whole heap of pink Lego. But actually, you know what? We need to whisper because we can't. There's a brick that we can't wake up. If we wake it up, we're in big trouble. But I'm gonna try and pick it up. And show you what it is. But we need to whisper.
Okay. Oh God. What is this? Oh, shh.
Ready? Yeah, actual gold bricks. The gold out of these.
Shh. Don't tell anyone.
I'll put it back to sleep.
Okay. Whoa.
We don't get that container out very often because
good thing.
If it's loose, like anything could happen, literally. So yeah, pretty crazy. So let's keep going.
We do. And as we're going, Brickman, how many builds have you done? Do you remember?
I don't keep count, but it'll be in the thousands. I'm going to say it'll be in the thousands.
Okay. Yep. And how quickly do you think it would take you to build a Mario Lego? I think Team Bro DZ wanted to know.
If I was feeling small scale, wouldn't take me too long, I reckon.
Okay.
But if you wanted a bigger one, might take me a while. Mario's not so, he's deceptively easy. Yep.
Okay, there you go, brods. Okay.
Yeah. So these are all plain bricks and plates in all the different colours. Very, very, very organised. So nice and sort of here. Now we're getting into the special stuff. So all of these here, these are all like specialty elements. So for example's sake, I'll open this one here for you. This one here. Hang on 1 second. I'll just open the container.
Oh, you're doing very well to balance it. Yeah.
Yeah. These are what we call cheese slopes. So these are all like little slopes and stuff. Cheese, as in little pieces of cheese.
Cheese slopes.
Yeah.
I thought you said cheese, and then I thought you can't eat Lego, but oh wow, I love the glitteriness of them.
Yeah. So this section of the wall of our workshop is very organised for all the smaller pieces, like little round ones, little corner pieces, cheese slopes, jumper plates. Like they all have a home. Everywhere has a home. Nobody's. Yep. Then we're into the slopes and the roof pieces. Then we keep it on trucking here to the round Lego pieces. Then this is a very interesting one. This is for our expert Starlights. This is the Technic section. So this is where we build Technic models. But I'm going to take you now. I'm going to go to one other spot. It's on the other side of the room here. And I'm going to show you this. This is the coolest.
Okay.
Right. See this drawer here?
Yes.
Now, say to yourself, what's in this drawer? You ready?
What's in this drawer? What?
Lego heads.
Are they heads? Oh, heads, shoulders, knees, and toes. Look at them all. Heads. I've lost my head. They're in the drawer. That is so cool. And does each one of those heads have a different emotional face or a different thing?
It sure does. That was the dude's heads. Now I'll show you the super cool, the girly heads. So here's all the lady heads. And so each one has a different face. So like this is like Robber Girl.
So
we've got she's got stars in her eyes. She's like Starlight Girl.
Oh, we should. Oh, that's awesome, Starlight Girl. Come on, Captain Starlight.
So then you got like Snow Skier Girl. You got like all of them.
Very cool.
Yeah. And so that's like the head section. That's pretty cool, huh?
Okay, it's ahead of its time.
And the other cool bit that a lot of people really love is this is all the accessories. So like this one here's cool. I'll show you this one. This is like food.
What?
This is cool. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, little food. That's where it's all there. Oh, that's so cool.
So so this is kind of like all the minifig accessories live in this area. So this is pretty sweet, like tools and all sorts of good stuff. But then I want to show you. Show you one.
There's not more. There's more.
There's one last spot that you need to see. I'll come around here and I'll show you. You ready?
Oh.
This is what we call the minifig wall.
Oh my gosh, I can't handle it. It's so beautiful. Oh,
Yeah. So almost every minifigure that Lego's made, we've got one. And so yeah, if we ever need a minifigure, we just like grab it off the wall and stick it on a bill. That's like, yeah. All right, I'm going to plug you back in, Captain.
Okay. Well, while you were showing us that, Matilda's mum was wondering if you'd go to her house and organize all their Lego for them.
For a small fee of $1 million, I'm more than happy to.